Hey guys, it's your girl with Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. How you doing? Hello. And if it's your first time here, hi, thank you for your support. Thank you for stopping by. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave, and also don't forget to press the notification bell so you don't miss any of this gorgeousness. Okay, gorgeousness. Alright. And so for today's content is going to be so simple and so nutritious, so juicy, so healthy, because I'm gonna introduce to you guys my favorite smoothie to make in the house. And due to this pandemic era, I don't think it's safe. I don't like that. I don't think it's safe for you to go outside to your favorite fast food or restaurant to like order anything or any takeout or any smoothie if you could make it yourself. And all you gotta do is just have this very simple, easy recipes. All right, and I'm gonna show you guys what I like to drink. I've not had no breakfast yet and it's so annoying, so I'm just gonna take this for like my breakfast, lunch, whatever. I'm just gonna use my strawberries, I'm gonna use an apple, and of course I'm gonna use my cranberry, and of course I'm gonna use my banana. I just need just one banana, and also my red grapes. And for the milk, I'm just gonna use the regular milk from like Walmart. My preference is gonna be like the almond milk, but being the fact that due to this era, I don't want to like step outside on this. It's really important, and I'm just gonna go with this right here instead of the almond milk. But this should do the same thing. And of course, like I said, I like to use the almond milk, but I don't got no almond milk right now. I'm just gonna like use this almond nuts. I never used the nuts before in my smoothie, but if it tastes nicer, I'll let you know. If it tastes gross with the nuts in it, I'll definitely let you know. So without no further ado, let's get right into the video. First, you're gonna make sure your fruits are like already washed and clean. My fruits are already clean, so I'm just gonna slice this into two. Take out the seeds, okay? Don't forget to take out the seeds. Don't forget to take out the seeds from the apple. And of course, you gotta make sure your hands are clean, alright? So don't forget. I'm just gonna slice the apple. And of course, this is my blender. I'm using the Ulster blender. That's made for like smoothies and all. Slicing the apples and taking away the seeds from it. Yeah. Now the banana. So I'm just gonna like use the whole pack of this cranberries. You can definitely get this from like the store, the local store, grocery store. It's just the ocean spray craisins. Yummy. For the strawberries, I'm just gonna take like 4. Make sure you mix your fruit, okay? So now we're moving on to the grapes. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? Because I'm trying to hit like 1,000 before the end of the month, okay? Come on now, we could do this. Just take like a reasonable amount, not a lot. And always make sure you rinse your fruits, okay? Now let's go to the nuts. You can get this from Walgreens, Walmart. Not a lot, because I don't really know how it tastes with the nuts. Thinking, should I use this or no? This yogurt. It's actually a yogurt smoothie it's with probiotics. No, I'm good. So I'm just gonna use the regular milk. Not a lot though. Just to like, yeah, that's enough. Guys, I like my smoothie very chilled, so do not forget to ice. Okay, I got like 3 cubes in there already. So now let's blend it. Ready? Looks like, you see how juicy it looks? Yeah, like that. I can taste the nuts in it. Then that's what I'm talking about. This is really good. This is really good. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. Yummy, yummy. Sis, do you want to try my smoothie? Okay, now my sister, whom I'm gonna introduce to you guys very soon, is gonna try this smoothie and y'all gonna hear a review. Can you come try it, please? You're not gonna show your face, just come try it so they can hear you. How does it look?
I love the color.
The color, you like it? Okay. And how does it taste?
Healthy.
I know. And what? And what?
Yummy.
Yummy. Yummy. She said it tastes yummy because I like yummy. And what?
Different.
It tastes different, right?
Yeah, but like wavy.
Wavy. I like that. You really like that, to be honest?
I would spend all my money on this every day.
I know, right? Thank you. So you guys heard from the best.
It was wonderful.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. So you guys, you see, like, it took me about what, 2 minutes to make this, and it's very nutritious, healthy, and I feel like it tastes better with the nuts in it. And So yes guys, get your fruits from Sam's Club, Walmart, your local grocery store, or whatever. And there you have it. So that'll be all for now. Thank you so much for watching, for tuning in and watching me. It's your girl, it's new. Thank you. Don't forget to follow my Instagram __ITSAANU. And being the fact that I'm not able to go to the gym, yeah, it's not easy. But you know what? We can do this, okay? So please guys, do not forget to stay strong. Do not forget to stay prayerful. Do not forget to, of course, don't forget to stay safe, and also don't forget to wash your hands regularly. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll definitely see y'all again in my next video. I love you guys so much. And if it's your birthday in the month of April, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. And no, this is not the best time due to this pandemic, but I know everything's gonna get better. And happy birthday. So thank you guys, and I'll see you again. Toodles.